Hi all, welcome to this week's weekly market report by J2 Wealth. This week Nifty ended at 25,790 points, which is up by 375 points from last week. And Sensex ended at 84,544 points, which is up by 1,359 points from last week. Moving into world market news, Microsoft and Blackrock, a few of the companies coming together to pull up close to $100 billion to invest in data centers for artificial intelligence and the energy infrastructure to power them. The world's oil traders and analysts joined together for the annual Asia Pacific Petroleum Conference held in Singapore this week to discuss the slump in oil. The main reason for the downturn is a rapidly slowing China, where contraction has hit a fourth consecutive month in July year on year. China is the world's largest importer of oil and the second largest consumer of oil, accounting for 15% of global oil consumption. UK inflation held steady for the month of August and in line with analyst expectations. The consumer price index was in line with the readings in July at 2.2% for the month of August. The US Federal Reserve slashed rates by half a percentage point, bringing the Federal Reserve rate to 4.75 to 5%. Analysts also expect the rate to go down to 4.25 to 4.5% by the end of 2025. Moving into Indian market news, net direct taxes grew by 16.12% to over 9.95 trillion rupees till September 17th. This is because of advanced tax mop-ups this year. Engineering and construction major Shapoorji Pallonji Group is geared up to receive investments worth rupees 2,100 crores from a consortium of global investors led by Deutsche Bank. India is set to be the third largest economy by the year 2030-31, driven by a forecasted annual growth rate of 6.7% this fiscal year. This is set in a report by S&P Global. Adani Green Energy and Adani Power announced on Sunday that they are signing a long-term purchase agreement with Maharashtra's largest electricity board to supply 6,600 megawatts of electricity to the state. They will be providing solar and thermal energy to the state. ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel invested rupees 1,000 crores into its Gujarat plant for its product Magnalise, a global product of ArcelorMittal stable. The company plans to capture over 50% market share of its steel supplies towards solar projects. Jindal Steel plans to invest rupees 1,500 crores towards boosting its production to hit a total of 1.6 million tons. Moving into stocks and news, Swiggy is considering publicly filing for its domestic initial public offering as soon as this week due to its strong pipeline of share sales. Swiggy IPO may seek to raise rupees 8,300 crore rupees. Reliance Power has made a big move in India's renewable energy and storage sector. It has secured a contract for 500 megawatts and a 1000 megawatt battery energy storage system. Electronics production in India will need to grow at an annual growth rate of 20 to 22% per year to hit its target of $500 billion by 2030. NTPC Green Energy, a subsidiary of state-owned NTPC, has filed its IPO or initial public offering papers to raise close to $1.2 billion or 10,000 crore rupees. Reliance Infrastructure's board approved on Thursday the issue of preferential shares for rupees 3,014 crores at a value of rupees 240 per share. Infosys to invest rupees 17 crores into space tech startup for Earth observations called Galaxy Space Solutions. AU Small Finance Bank partnered with Nivabupa to offer health insurance products. Japan's Daikin invests rupees 1,400 crores into India's unit to boost output. The market outlook for the following week seems positive as the Fed rate cuts happened in the previous week. That's all for this week's market report. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel J2 Wealth.